Hey guys, my name is Kaido, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom map on the TSG mod. Alright, now the first thing that you have to do is place a sign. Now there's three types of signs. The first sign is a basic TSG spawn sign. What this does is makes a spawn area with a bunch of different of those spawn tubes, but it doesn't have a cornucopia in the middle. If you want a cornucopia, then you put TSG cornucopia at a size. These sizes are small, medium, large, and huge. What this does is spawns a cornucopia at the sign's location with the designated size that you picked. The third type of sign that you can use is a spawn LOC sign. What this does is it makes a spawn tube at the sign's location. That way you can have your spawns in the world anywhere you want. You can spread them out. Now, the thing to remember is you only want to have one of these types of signs. So either one of these, or you can have multiples of the spawn LOC signs like I have set around here. So I'm going to go ahead and break all of these signs, including that one. And I'm just going to have a TSG cornucopia. And I'm going to pick huge, even though I don't put that many people in there. Now I'm going to go around here and break all of these signs to make sure that they don't interfere with the cornucopia sign. And the reason that there's so many of those is because I was planning on doing those signs instead, but then I changed my mind when I started making this video. So, sorry about that. Now this is just part one of how to make a custom map. As soon as I finish breaking these last 5 signs, I'll show you the second part. Get rid of this hello sign over here. Alright, now the second thing to remember is you don't want to be here in this world when you generate it, because I've experienced issues when doing that. Alright, so part 2. Part 2, you actually type in a command. The command is /tsg space import space and then the world name, not your current world name, the world name of the world that you just set up. So the world name that I set up is custom. Alright, once you do that custom command, it's going to start scanning the world. Now this can take up to like 3 or 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's done. Alright, I'm back guys. Now if you see at the bottom of the screen in the chat right now, it says TSG scan of world custom complete. That's what it's going to say when it's done scanning your world. So after it's done scanning, it should be good to go along with the world. Now to start the world that you just did, what you're going to want to do is type /tsg, like you're going to start a world, start FFA. I'm just going to go ahead and put 60 seconds for the time so you can start fast. Now the important part is W:, and then your world name. So again, mine is custom because that's the world that I made, not the main world. Remember, do not put in the name of your main world, as you could end up ruining your world, or one person actually managed to delete his world. So I'm going to go ahead and start that up and give it a second. As you can see, it's starting up the map. Right, there it goes. So /tsg join. Let's give it a second for the people on the server to join the games. I'm going to go ahead and force start the games. What? Here it is. Here is the map. Now, I think what he doesn't realize is I actually have the timer turned down to only 30 seconds, so he's about to get a nice little surprise. Let's just wait and see how we fare here. Oh, a little bit of lag. Oh, he's one of those running types. Sorry with the lag too. With the both of us together, the video's lagging a little bit. He sure is liking to run. Probably not the best for me since we are on a giant forest map. Alright. Well, that's basically concluded this little tutorial. That's how you do the game. So I'm just going to type out, actually I'll do it in the description below. I'll type the steps that you need to do, and I'll have a link to the reference page that actually has the commands for you also. Now, the world that I used was generated with a world generator. I'll also have that down in the description below, so for a link. It's actually a specially made Hunger Games world generator, so I think it's pretty nice. You can check it out for yourself.